the value of tan square sec inverse 2 plus cot square cosec inverse 3 is option A is 5, option B is 11, option C is 13 and option D is 15. তাহলে এটা সলভ করার জন্য আমরা কিছু কনসেপ্ট ইউজ করব। উই নো দ্যাট tan square theta that equals to sec square theta minus 1 and cot square theta equals to cosec square theta minus 1. তাহলে therefore আমরা কি লিখতে পারি না tan square sec inverse 2 plus cot square cosec inverse 3, তাহলে that equals to this is tan square theta, তাহলে tan square theta কে আমরা কি লিখতে পারি না sec square theta minus 1, তার মানে that implies sec square sec inverse 2 minus 1 plus cot square theta, that means cosec square theta minus 1, তাহলে that can be represented as cosec square of cosec inverse 3 minus 1, তাহলে that equals to sec square theta means sec square theta, that means sec theta whole square, তাহলে this can be represented as sec square sec inverse 2 is represented as sec of sec inverse 2 whole square minus 1 plus cosec square cosec inverse 3 can be represented as cosec of cosec inverse 3 whole square minus 1, তাহলে that equals to sec and sec inverse gets cancel out, তার মানে that means 2 তার whole square minus 1 plus cosec of cosec inverse 3 whole square, that means cosec inverse and cosec gets cancel out, that means 3 whole square minus 1, তাহলে that equals to 2 square, that means 4 minus 1 plus 3 square means 9 minus 1, that equals to 4 plus 9, that is 13 minus 2, that equals to 11. That is our answer. That means option option B is correct. তাহলে option B is correct. Thank you.